Hi, I'm Ben Kean. Please enjoy this quick video on how to create iStaging out in the field.
Yeah, I just thought a real quick video, have about 10 minutes on how to create a VR tour using iStaging's VR Maker app. If you subscribe to our service by now with a coupon code provided by myself or association, you should have received a free capture kit and lens here. If not, you'll have to purchase one after February the 15th, which is in 2 days, or anyway, we'll get the point. Okay, so to start, the basics. Connect this to the phone, bang, lens on, boom. Download the app, which you've done. You'll select VR Maker app here on the device. We're going to create a live tour. And what we want to do is we want to select the pink button here to capture. Tap that. And you'll notice that, oh, that's pink. So when you turn on the robot, I'll just simulate it now, Bluetooth connection. This button here must be pink to start capturing. Okay, if that's grayed out, you need to toggle the Bluetooth. So I'll simulate it here on my iPhone. I'm going to turn the Bluetooth off. I'm going to turn it on again. And come on, capturing screen share. Right, caught up now. That button's got to be pink. Once you've got that, you're away to go. So the app controls the Bluetooth connection to the robot, and that's how you'll start to create. Follow the rest of this video on camera placement around the house, and then at the end, we'll then get into the editing. One thing to be aware of, placing the camera. So this, where I've got it now, will actually be the second shot. Okay, I'm just going to pick up the tripod now. I'm going to place it here, which is in this particular place, like a thoroughfare, dining table around to the lounge area there. I've already done this shot. I come up the hallway. I would place the hallway shot here. This way I can see into the laundry, into that bedroom, then down the hallway. Okay, another hot spot into that bedroom. I'd place the camera here. Again, I can see down the hallway. I can see the toilet, into the bathroom, back down the hallway to the laundry. I'd probably just put a hot spot into that bedroom there, and another hot spot into that bedroom off that last hallway shot. And then I'd almost be inclined to do a double. Actually, we'll do this now. I'll actually do this one where I can see the master bedroom. I can see into the wardrobe. Actually, no, that might be a bit of a double up. I've actually got the shot this way, and with the bed over here, I can see into the ensuite, and I can see into the walk-in wardrobe, and I can just put in a tag on that. There's no point showing too much of that. I'd put a tag out going outside, or with a hotspot outside. Actually, maybe I'd just put for this example, what I'll do is I'll just take a still shot of that, and I'll actually embed that into the tour. Okay, there's no real need for that one. Got that one. Got that one. I've got this bathroom. So again, with this bathroom, I've positioned the camera here, and that's just out of the way of that mirror, so I don't see the camera in the mirror shot. All right. And we'll have a look at that. We'll turn off the HDR. We'll click capture here. And you'll notice that this rig I've got made up means that that green line, which is nice and nicely aligned. Okay. Coming back into this lounge, I've got quite a nice lounge, so I could. Where's the best place? Best place would probably be over here. We're going to get the best view of the room, I think. And I'm going to turn on. I'm actually going to open up these doors over here too. and I'm going to turn on HDR, so when it comes round I'll see this nice outside view. Okay, you want to get that in the shot, and I want to put the timer on just so I'm out of the way. Get out of the way on this one. And it's 3 seconds, should be enough. Turn on HDR, HDR's on, go. Get right out of the way now. So what I'm going to do with this particular one, I've got the camera facing outdoors, and what I should really be doing is making sure the lens is facing away from the main light source. So I'm going to bring it back around to here, and I'm going to set the timer on as well, just to put it on to about 10 seconds to allow me to get out of the way, and I'll push the go button. Right, hop out of the way, and it'll shoot around to the light source. So just before I leave the room, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to have a look and see how that shot looked. I'll tap the image here, and tap the image there. Oh yeah, I'm not in the way. I actually thought I might have been in that shot that time. Looks pretty good. Okay, I've got everything in there actually. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's go back, and I'll click the X button here, and we'll be back to the last screen. So just going back into this bedroom, just make that clear. We position of our camera roughly in the centre of the bed, and I've narrowed up the tripod. Very good. Just going to take that one again. I'm just going to turn off the timer this time. And I actually had it facing inwards. And we'll just go boom. Go. Great, moving now. I've come outside now, and you'll notice it's pretty bright out here. The sun's up directly behind me. So I've put the HDR on, and I'm going to face this way. I'm out of the reflection. I'm going to put the timer on to 10 seconds, and I'm going to run over that way so my shadow doesn't get in the shot. We're going to see the shadow of a tripod, but I can probably live with that. So I'm just going to click that on there. We'll get out of the way. Okay, so now I'm going to create the tour. I've taken all the scenes, so I'm going to tap the image there. I'm going to come back to the bottom. Oh, might have someone coming in. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, actually I don't want that one, 21, 22, 23, 24, and go done. I'm going to call this 24 Rakaya way, and go save, and then it'll upload to the cloud now, and then I'll show you how to do the editing on my desktop when we get back to the office.